High cholesterol is one of the silent dangers affecting millions of people worldwide, often with no symptoms, until it's too late. But what if the solution isn't in a pill bottle, but on your plate? Today, I'll share 10 powerful natural foods that have been scientifically shown to help lower bad cholesterol, boost heart health, and protect your arteries naturally. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last foods on this list can make a huge difference when eaten consistently. Number 1. Oats. Oats are one of the most effective natural foods for lowering cholesterol, and they work in a very simple but powerful way. They're rich in a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which forms a gel-like substance in your digestive system. This gel binds to cholesterol-rich bile acids and helps remove them from the body before they enter your bloodstream. As a result, your liver pulls cholesterol from your blood to make more bile, naturally lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol levels. What makes oats even more impressive is how quickly they start working. Studies show that eating just one bowl of oats per day can reduce LDL cholesterol within a few weeks. Oats also help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling full longer, which supports weight control, another key factor in cholesterol management. For best results, choose steel-cut or rolled oats instead of instant varieties, and avoid adding sugar. Pair them with berries, cinnamon, or nuts for even more heart-protective benefits. Number 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are one of the most powerful heart-protective foods you can eat. They are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce triglycerides, increase HDL, good cholesterol, and lower inflammation throughout the body. Omega-3s don't just lower cholesterol numbers, they improve the quality of cholesterol particles, making them less likely to stick to artery walls. Regular consumption of fatty fish also helps reduce blood pressure, prevents abnormal heart rhythms, and slows the buildup of plaque inside arteries. Another major benefit is that omega-3s reduce liver production of triglycerides, which often go hand in hand with high cholesterol. Eating fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week can significantly improve your lipid profile over time. For maximum benefit, choose wild-caught fish when possible and cook them gently, grilling, baking, or steaming instead of deep frying. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps support the channel and brings you more health content like this. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts are small, but their impact on cholesterol is massive. They are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, plant sterols, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which work together to reduce LDL cholesterol and protect blood vessels. Walnuts in particular contain omega-3 fatty acids, while almonds are excellent for improving HDL levels. What makes nuts unique is that they reduce cholesterol without causing weight gain when eaten in moderate amounts. They also improve endothelial function, which means better blood flow and healthier arteries. Research shows that eating a small handful of nuts daily can lower LDL cholesterol by up to 10%. The key is portion control, about 1 small handful per day, and choosing raw or dry roasted nuts without added salt or sugar. Number 4. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the most researched and trusted natural fats for heart health. Its power comes from a combination of monounsaturated fats and polyphenol antioxidants, which work together to lower LDL cholesterol while protecting HDL cholesterol from oxidative damage. Oxidized LDL is far more dangerous than regular LDL because it sticks more easily to artery walls and contributes to plaque buildup. Olive oil helps prevent this process at its root. Another major benefit of olive oil is its anti-inflammatory effect. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of heart disease and high cholesterol, and the polyphenols in olive oil act similarly to mild anti-inflammatory drugs, without side effects. Olive oil also improves insulin sensitivity, which is important because insulin resistance often goes hand in hand with unhealthy cholesterol levels. To get the maximum benefit, use cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, store it away from heat and light, and use it mainly for drizzling over salads, vegetables, or cooked foods. Replacing butter, margarine, or refined seed oils with olive oil is one of the simplest and most effective dietary changes you can make for long-term heart health. Number 5. Avocados. Avocados are one of the best whole foods for improving cholesterol balance. They're rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help lower LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL, the protective form of cholesterol that helps remove excess fat from the bloodstream. Avocados also contain soluble fiber, which binds cholesterol in the digestive system and helps eliminate it naturally. What makes avocados especially powerful is their ability to improve cholesterol particle size. smaller, dense LDL particles are more harmful than larger ones, and avocados help shift LDL toward a safer form. They're also packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, another critical factor in cardiovascular health. Eating one avocado per day has been shown to significantly improve cholesterol markers, especially when it replaces less healthy fats. Avocados are incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, smoothies, eggs, or eat them simply with olive oil and lemon juice for a nutrient-dense, heart-protective snack. Number 6. Legumes. Lentils, chickpeas, beans. Legumes are among the most effective plant-based foods for lowering cholesterol naturally. They are loaded with soluble fiber, which slows digestion and reduces the absorption of cholesterol into the bloodstream. This fiber also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, producing compounds that further reduce cholesterol production in the liver. Another major advantage of legumes is their plant protein content. Replacing animal protein, especially red and processed meat, with legumes can significantly reduce saturated fat intake, which directly lowers LDL cholesterol levels. Legumes also help regulate blood sugar, preventing insulin spikes that can worsen cholesterol imbalances. Studies consistently show that people who eat legumes 4 or more times per week have better cholesterol profiles and lower risk of heart disease. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans are affordable, filling, and easy to incorporate into soups, stews, salads, and even smoothies for long-term heart protection. Number 7. Apples. Apples are a simple yet powerful cholesterol-lowering food thanks to their high content of pectin, a type of soluble fiber that binds cholesterol in the gut and prevents it from entering the bloodstream. This makes apples particularly effective at lowering LDL cholesterol when eaten consistently. In addition to fiber, apples contain polyphenols, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect blood vessels from damage. These compounds help prevent cholesterol from sticking to artery walls and improve overall vascular health. Apples also help control appetite and reduce cravings, supporting healthy weight management, an important factor in cholesterol control. For the greatest benefit, eat apples whole with the skin on, since most of the fiber and antioxidants are found there. Eating 1 to 2 apples per day can make a noticeable difference over time, especially when combined with other heart-healthy foods. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural remedies for cardiovascular health. Its cholesterol-lowering effect comes mainly from allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that helps reduce cholesterol production in the liver. Garlic also improves blood circulation, reduces blood pressure, and prevents plaque buildup in arteries. Regular garlic consumption has been shown to modestly reduce total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, especially when consumed over several weeks or months. Garlic also helps prevent LDL oxidation, making cholesterol less likely to cause damage to blood vessels. Additionally, garlic supports immune health and reduces inflammation, offering multiple benefits beyond cholesterol control. For maximum effectiveness, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This activates allicin. Aim for 1 to 2 cloves per day, raw or lightly cooked, to gain its full heart protective benefits. Number 9. Leafy greens. Leafy greens play an important role in cholesterol management by binding bile acids in the digestive system, forcing the body to use cholesterol to produce more bile. This process naturally lowers LDL cholesterol levels over time. These greens are also rich in lutein, a carotenoid that prevents cholesterol from accumulating in artery walls. Beyond cholesterol, leafy greens support heart health by reducing inflammation, improving blood vessel function, and providing essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. They're also low in calories but extremely nutrient-dense, making them ideal for daily consumption without weight gain. Adding leafy greens to smoothies, salads, soups, or lightly sautéing them in olive oil helps increase nutrient absorption and makes them easier to eat consistently, key for long-term results. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, when chosen wisely, can be a surprising ally in lowering cholesterol. High-quality dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that reduce LDL oxidation and improve blood vessel flexibility. These effects help reduce plaque formation and support healthy blood flow. Dark chocolate has also been shown to modestly increase HDL cholesterol, helping the body transport excess cholesterol back to the liver for removal. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties support overall cardiovascular health, while its ability to reduce stress hormones indirectly benefits cholesterol levels. The key is moderation and quality. Choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa, minimal sugar, and no artificial additives. alternatives. One small square per day is enough to enjoy the benefits without negatively impacting calorie intake. Lowering cholesterol naturally isn't about restriction. It's about smart, consistent food choices. When you include these foods regularly, you support your heart, protect your arteries, and improve your long-term health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with someone who cares about their heart health.